Ever wondered how to solve a system of equations to find a specific value, not just the variables themselves? Today, we're tackling a classic SAT problem that does just that. We're given this system of equations and asked to find the value of 30x. Our first move is to simplify. Notice how the left side of the first equation is positive 3y, and the left side of the second is negative 3y. This is perfect for elimination. When we add them together, the 3y and negative 3y terms cancel out, leaving us with a much simpler equation. Now, we just need to solve for x. We add 44 to both sides, then divide by 15 to isolate x. The problem asks for the value of 30x. We can substitute our value for x into this expression. To simplify this, we can divide the 30 by the 15, which gives us 2. Multiplying 2 by 44 gives us our final answer, 88. And there you have it. By systematically solving the system and substituting, we found that 30x equals 88.